Hey little artist! Ready to go up in colors? Today we're going to learn how to draw a super cool rainbow stair.
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Now let's draw 2 zigzag lines, just like a staircase. One on the left and one on the right. These will be the edges of our stair. Now, let's connect those zigzag lines with straight lines to make the actual steps. Connect each point across, left to right, just like you're building stairs step by step. Now let's draw a side wall. Yay! We've got a staircase with a side wall. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over the outline again to make it bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Doesn't it look awesome?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our staircase. Let's grab our color pens and use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome work, little artists! You did such a great job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and colorful drawings. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a swing cradle. Let's take our black marker and begin. First, we draw a long horizontal bar at the top. This is the part that holds the swing. Now, let's draw 4 slanted legs to hold the bar. 2 on the left side. And 2 on the right side, just like a strong triangle on each side. Time to draw the seat of our swing cradle, a cute little curved shape at the bottom. Now draw 2 chains, one from each side of the seat, going up and attaching to the top bar. Awesome! Our swing is ready.
La da 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 dee.
Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Just trace over the lines once more. Whoa! That looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to add some color. Are you ready? Let's go! Pink color. Let's color the swing seat.
Wow!
Blue color. Color the chains now. Purple color. Fill in the top bar. Yellow color. Color the inner sides of the legs. Green color. And now the outer sides of the stands. Whoa! It's so colorful and fun! You did an amazing job today! Thanks for drawing with us at Toddlers Art Hub! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art! See you next time, and keep coloring your world! Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video!